Hi, I'm Barry. Let's practice the sound in air, like airplane or stair. Air. Listen. He went upstairs to get a chair. He went upstairs to get a chair. Can you get a haircut at the airport? Can you get a haircut at the airport? Upstairs. Upstairs. Chair. Chair. Haircut. Haircut. Airport. Airport. Two more times. He went upstairs to get a chair. He went upstairs to get a chair. Can you get a haircut at the airport? Can you get a haircut at the airport? I don't know. I haven't flown for a while. Probably. Okay. Listen a lot and practice repeating. When I say listen a lot, by the way, I mean at least dozens of times. These loops are very short, so you should let them play as loops. Play it again, play it again, play it again. At least 10 times before you try to repeat. At least. Good luck.